Hi guys, so good afternoon. We're here now at the Royal Cafe here at Intramuros. Tayo na imbitahan na magkaroon ng group exhibit dito sa mismo Royal Cafe, and I was invited to join and create an artwork which is a religious theme. Let me tour you around here inside the Royal Cafe. This is the San Agustin Church. So when you enter inside the premises of this building or this area, you'll see the Royal Cafe at right side. So ito yun. And here's their menu. The place is very cozy and small pero ang sarap ng feeling. What I like about the cafe is their lights, the ceiling lamps. Ganda. Perfect for this interior. Here are the works of 16 artists. Iba-iba yan. We have Father and Child, and Jesus and Mary, and Jesus itself, and ayan, I think this is sold already by Miss Gretchen, and this one is artwork by Valerie Teng, and this one is artwork by Jensel Gonzalez, and of course to Maylin Quinto, and yung iba po kasi hindi ko masyadong familiar, but I will meet them later.
Ito naman talaga.
Ilang words to? Gano'n may kategory?
Uwi na kami, Jessel. Huwag ka na pumunta.
May mga ako dyan, may family din ako sa kanila.
Ay, video ba?
Ginawa ka na lang. May mag-vlog ka.
Bagal ang data ko. Parang may ano.
Ano ba ito? Pasensya na si bakla.